Well, in this video I'm going to add a visual effect. So if I go to effects, in the top search box I type in smoke, then hit return. So you can type in whatever you want, flashbang, whatever you want. So down here I got black and flash. As a favourite, by putting a tick in the box, I can add it to the timeline. So if I move this over to here, then I add the black flash by tapping on the blue little cross. I can move that over to a different position. And when we look in favourites, you can see the black flash there. At the end of this video, I've got a playlist with more CapCut pro tips you might be interested in, and a video that may interest you as a viewer. So please like and subscribe to watch the next video.